Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, sum of two integers equal to k. Hashtag include stdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output header file which provides functions like printf and scanf. Hashtag include stdlib.h. This line includes the standard library header file which provides functions like malloc and free. Int main, this line defines the main function, the entry point of the program. The return type int indicates that the function returns an integer value. Int n, k, this line declares two integer variables n and k which will be used to store the number of integers and the target sum respectively. This scanf line reads two integer values from the standard input, representing the number of integers, n, and the target sum, k. Int arr, n, this line declares an array arr of size n to store the integers. The first for loop starts a loop to iterate over the array indices from 0 to n1. Scanf, %d, and arr, I, this line reads an integer value from the standard input and stores it in the I element of the array arr. The another for loop to iterate over the array indices from 0 to n1. This line starts a nested loop to iterate over the array indices from I plus 1 to n1. This loop ensures that each pair of integers is considered only once. In sum equals arr, I, plus arr, j, this line calculates the sum of the integers at indices I and j and stores it in the variable sum. If sum equals k, this line checks if the sum calculated is equal to the target sum k. Printf, yes, this line prints yes to the standard output if the sum of the current pair of integers is equal to k. Return 0, this line exits the program with a return status of 0, indicating successful execution. Printf, no, this line prints no to the standard output if no pair of integers in the array sums up to k. Return 0, this line exits the program with a return status of 0, indicating successful execution. Now, we will see the solution in Python. N, k equals map, int, input, dot split, this line reads two integers separated by space from the standard input. It assigns the first integer to n and the second integer to k. Integers equals list, map, int, input, dot split, this line reads a line of integers separated by space from the standard input, converts them into a list of integers, and assigns it to the variable integers. Scene equals set, this line initializes an empty set named scene to keep track of integers seen while iterating through the list of integers. For number in integers, this line starts a loop to iterate over each integer number in the list integers. Complement equals k, number, this line calculates the complement of the current integer number with respect to the target sum k. If complement in scene, this line checks if the complement is already present in the set scene. Print, yes, this line prints yes to the standard output if the complement is found in the set scene, indicating that there exists a pair of integers in the list whose sum equals k. Exit, this line exits the program immediately after printing yes. Scene.add, number, this line adds the current integer number to the set scene before moving to the next integer in the list. Print, no, this line prints no to the standard output if no pair of integers in the list sums up to k after checking all integers in the list. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.